Nature doesn't always follow the rules. Sometimes events occur that even scientists struggle to explain. In this video, you will see 10 incredible phenomena that seem to break the laws of nature. And the last one will completely confuse you. 10. Rivers that flow uphill. Water defying gravity. Normally, water always flows downhill. This is one of the unchangeable laws of physics on Earth. However, there are places in the world where watching the flow of water makes people doubt their own eyes. Rivers or small streams appear to flow uphill. This phenomenon is usually observed in mountainous areas with uneven terrain. In reality, the water is still flowing downhill, but the shape of the surrounding landscape, the hidden horizon line, and the viewing angle confuse the human brain. When the brain cannot find a clear reference point, it misjudges the direction of the water. These locations have become popular tourist attractions. People often throw leaves or sticks into the water to prove that it is flowing uphill. 9. Magnetic hills. Cars rolling uphill on their own. On certain roads, when a car is placed in neutral and released, it moves uphill instead of downhill. At first glance, this looks like a clear violation of gravity. These places are known as magnetic hills or gravity hills. While many people believe the phenomenon is caused by strong magnetic fields in the Earth, most scientists explain it as an optical illusion. The surrounding trees, hills, and horizon line are positioned in a way that makes a downhill road appear uphill. Still, those who witness this phenomenon in person often believe it should remain a mystery. 8. Blood rain, when red rain falls from the sky. One of the most frightening natural events recorded throughout history is blood-colored rain. When people see red rain falling from the sky, they often believe it is a divine warning or a sign of an upcoming disaster. In reality, this phenomenon is caused by dust particles, microalgae, and bacteria present in the atmosphere. Strong winds can carry red desert dust from Africa across thousands of kilometers. When this dust mixes with raindrops, the rain turns red. Visually, the event is extremely dramatic and unsettling, especially when streets and buildings are covered in red stains. 7. Burning rocks, fire rising from the ground. In some parts of the world, flames emerge directly from the ground and burn for years without going out. These fires are not fueled by wood or human intervention. It feels as if the earth itself is burning. The cause of this phenomenon is underground natural gas leaks. When the gas reaches the surface and comes into contact with oxygen, it ignites and can continue burning for decades or even centuries. Some burning rocks have been on fire for hundreds of years. In ancient times, people considered these places sacred and believed the flames were divine. Even today, these fires inspire both fear and admiration. 6. Glowing seas, oceans that shine at night. At night, in certain coastal areas, the sea begins to glow with a blue light. As the waves move, the light becomes stronger, transforming the entire shoreline into something that looks magical. This phenomenon is called bioluminescence. Microscopic marine organisms emit light when they sense danger or movement. It is a natural defense mechanism. These glowing ocean scenes are among the most viewed nature videos on social media. 5. Frozen but alive, nature that defeats death. Some animals completely freeze during winter. Their heartbeat and metabolism stop entirely. Yet when spring arrives, they come back to life. This phenomenon is known as cryptobiosis. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are especially famous for this ability. They can survive for years without water, in frozen conditions, and even in the vacuum of space. This remains a largely unexplored subject in science and has sparked great interest in the possibility of extending human life in the future. 4. Moving stones, a mystery that leaves tracks. In a place called Racetrack Playa in the United States, large stones move on their own across the ground. There are no human or animal footprints, yet long trails appear behind the rocks. For many years, this phenomenon remained a mystery. Recent studies suggest that thin layers of ice, wind, and moisture work together at night to slowly move the stones. Even so, this event demonstrates just how intelligently nature operates. 3. Eternal flames, fires that have burned for thousands of years. Some fires cannot be extinguished by rain, snow, or wind. These eternal flames are fueled by underground gas sources and can burn continuously for centuries. In ancient civilizations, such places were considered sacred and used as sites of worship. People saw these flames as symbols of life and continuity. 2. Animals falling from the sky, fish raining down. During certain storms, fish, frogs, and other small animals fall from the sky like rain. This phenomenon is linked to tornadoes and powerful atmospheric vortices. These strong winds lift animals from bodies of water and carry them for kilometers before dropping them elsewhere. 1. Moving forests, trees that change their location. In some regions, trees slowly change their position over the years. This movement is extremely slow and can only be noticed through long-term observation. Soil movement, moisture, and root structures contribute to this process. Still, the visuals are enough to make anyone stop and think. All of this proves that nature is not a system we fully understand. Perhaps we create the rules, and nature simply does whatever it wants. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.